SAVVYAZE, back with another vlog. I'm all bundled up. Got this fucking tight brick. Warming up the car. So, yeah, warming up the RAV4. And I'm gonna drive it around. Because I have been warming it up, but I haven't been driving it. So, probably just gonna drive it around. Maybe get some food, I guess. Because, KFC has this new veggie thing, so might as well do a taste test of that, because you know, foodies out here, of course. So before we get into the video, don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get to it. So alright guys, so we got the Beyond Chicken 6-piece. We got some sauces. We got one of each. We got honey mustard, KFC sauce, classic ranch, barbecue. Oh yeah, I already did this one, honey mustard. So okay, 4 sauces, not bad. And in case I don't like this, I also got myself a spicy chicken sandwich and some fries. Cause you know, gotta put something to water it down. So, first bite. Okay, just some more fries in here. Just gonna move the fries. At least it loaded up the fries, which is nice. Okay, just open up the sauce. Okay, I only live like 7 minutes away from KFC, and traffic was good, but damn, the fries got cold fast. It's that cold outside in New York, but like when I first got the bag, it was super hot. So it's the weather, guys. Like, I love living in New York, but the only reason I would move is for the weather. Okay, I just tried how it is. Okay, it's still pretty warm, so that's good. Not bad, actually. Okay, I like how it's crispy on the outside. It has seasoning, so that's good. But like when you bite into it, like the white part is kind of like rubbery. So it's like, well, let's try with dipping sauce. Honey mustard, or is the KFC? Oh, the KFC sauce. Okay, it's pretty good actually. I am not a vegetarian person at all. I'm a vegan, but this is actually pretty good. I would rate this 9 out of 10 or 8 out of 10, because me personally, I'm more of a, you know, meat type of guy, like chicken, protein, steak. But would I get it again? Not for myself, but probably for my parents. People say it tastes like chicken, but it does not taste like chicken at all. It actually tastes like sabji a little bit. Well, not really sabji, but close to it. Tastes like cauliflower, yeah. Something like that. But does it taste like chicken? Nope. So, I don't know why they say it's fried chicken or Beyond Meat. I might have to, yeah, this is definitely, let me try with the other sauces too first. See, like at first it's good, but then the aftertaste is like, it's nothing like chicken at all. Like absolutely nothing like chicken. Or well, at least the chicken that I'm used to with the seasoning and stuff. But typically though, I would say these nuggets taste way better than McDonald's nuggets. Even though McDonald's nuggets are actually chicken nuggets. But I would rather get this over that. Okay, I don't think anything could top Wendy's spicy nuggets. So, I would rather get the Wendy's spicy nuggets. Yep, so I'm probably going to end up giving this a 7 out of 10. So, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And see you guys next time. Peace out. Love you all. Stay safe.